This is the documentary of the gorilla. Deep in the lush forests of Africa, where sunlight barely pierces the thick canopy, moves a creature of extraordinary strength, intelligence, and social depth. The gorilla, often misunderstood yet profoundly fascinating, with a lifespan of 35 to 50 years in the wild, and sometimes longer in protected sanctuaries, gorillas live rich, complex lives that mirror humanity in surprising ways. Gorillas are the largest primates on Earth. A silverback male can weigh over 200 kilograms, with arms longer than their legs, built for climbing and knuckle walking. Their muscular structure is not just for show. Gorillas possess unbelievable upper body strength, capable of lifting objects many times their weight. But here's a rare fact. Gorillas have fingerprints that are almost identical to humans, a feature that has fascinated scientists for decades. Gorillas live in tightly knit groups called troops, led by a dominant silverback. This leader is not just the strongest. He is the protector, decision-maker, and peacekeeper. Troop dynamics are complex. Younger males often challenge for dominance. Females have subtle influence. And every interaction, from grooming to play, reinforces social bonds. A rare fact, gorillas recognize each other individually, and even remember past conflicts or favors, demonstrating remarkable social intelligence. Gorillas communicate through vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions. Their chest beating is both a warning and a social signal. But few documentaries mention that gorillas can learn simple sign language and have been observed using tools in the wild, from sticks to test water depth, to leaves as makeshift gloves for thorny vegetation. Gorillas are primarily herbivorous, feeding on leaves, stems, fruit, and occasionally insects. A single silverback can consume up to 40 pounds of vegetation a day. Rarely mentioned is their seasonal dietary intelligence. Gorillas choose plants with medicinal properties to soothe pain or aid digestion, a behavior that hints at early medicinal knowledge in the animal kingdom. Gorilla infants are born vulnerable but highly observant. Within weeks, they mimic adult behaviors, eating, grooming, and even playful gestures that teach survival skills. Juveniles often engage in mock fights, building strength and social understanding, preparing for adulthood in a hierarchy-driven world. Unlike many predators, gorillas maintain overlapping home ranges, traveling up to 4 to 6 kilometers a day for food and water. Their movement is strategic, minimizing conflict with neighboring troops while maximizing resource efficiency. Rare fact, gorillas have been observed changing sleeping sites nightly, an advanced tactic to reduce parasite infestation. Despite their intelligence and strength, gorillas face severe threats from habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Conservation efforts have revealed that gorillas possess remarkable adaptability, sometimes altering diet and migration patterns to survive in degraded forests. Yet human encroachment remains their greatest challenge. Gorillas have been seen consoling distressed troop members, a rare sign of empathy in non-human animals. Silverbacks sometimes mediate conflicts between females or juveniles, showcasing leadership that balances strength with social intelligence. Gorillas have unique vocal dialects depending on their region, almost like regional accents in human speech. The gorilla is not just a symbol of strength, it is a mirror of what intelligence, emotion, and society can achieve in nature. A creature of depth, learning, and resilience. In every chest beat, every tender grooming, and every careful decision, the gorilla shows us a reflection of the wild, and perhaps, of ourselves. This is the gorilla, a king of the forest, a master of social complexity, and a silent teacher of nature's intelligence.